I never want the fear of the gym, aka gymtimidation, to keep you from reaching your health and fitness goals. It's so important to move your body, but when you're so stuck in intense intimidation of the gym, it becomes quite a hurdle. So let's discuss ways to overcome those insecurities and actually embrace confident energy when going to energize your body and strengthen your muscles and get your mind right. What's up, my free and powerful friends? Magnify Maggie here to tell you how to be confident in the gym so that you are thinking different in order to drink different or never again. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you do so because I bring all types of fitness and even nutrition and motivational content here every Sunday and every Thursday. A lot of the clients that I work with come to me with intense gymtimidation, and the first thing that we do is get to the bottom of the insecurity. What is the belief that you have that's holding you back from being confident at the gym? Is it that you think other people will judge you? Is it that you feel like you don't know how to work the machines? Is it that you feel lost when you walk in and you just don't know what to do? When you get to the bottom of the root cause of the insecurity, you can very quickly go ahead and mend that. So if you're insecure about other people and what they might think about you, remember, first of all, F them. But second of all, most of the people at the gym are in a very good mindset. There's only maybe a handful of people that could be rude or ignorant, and that's their own thing. But from my experience, the gym is actually full of cheerleaders and people who would hype you up, and even people that would stop what they're doing to help you if they saw that you were struggling with something. The gym environment is so friendly that as soon as you can get past that insecurity, you're gonna wake up and see, wow, I was afraid of a bunch of cuddly teddy bears. And if you don't know what to do in general, then again, start off small. Maybe just make it the habit of getting to the gym to walk on the treadmill or climb the Stairmaster while you watch other people. Find somebody in there that's fit, that looks like maybe your body type, and say, what are they doing? Let me try. Or let me bookmark that in my mind and go home and research on YouTube, phone a friend again, or even ask around with your own inner circle of friends, hey, do you know anything about this exercise or that exercise? Or where can I learn? Most gyms also have pretty inexpensive first-time training sessions. So it behooves you to go ahead and invest in a 30-minute intro tutorial session with one of their personal trainers there. It's also a great idea to just go ahead and invest in a trainer in the beginning just to make sure that you have your hand held and you know that you're doing the thing safely and with the right technique. This next tip is going to help those people that really are mostly afraid of what other people think about them. So I really encourage you to go to the gym around the same time every day. Something pretty phenomenal happens psychologically when we see the same people or even just the same person 5 to 7 times in a row and they don't physically harm us or somehow insult our ego. Then our mind will just automatically start to believe that they are friends. We're gonna look at them and feel friendly relationship building. We're gonna start to smile at them. And that's when you start to actually create new friends at the gym. If you're not up for that, then let's go ahead and rewind a little bit and pick a class. Most gyms have daily group classes or even different boutique style fitness concepts like Pure Barre, CrossFit. They have classes where you can sign up for the same time every day and actually get involved in a group environment where you have an instructor and you have a format to carry out for the 45-minute workout. Something that I really want to encourage you to do, even though you're in the group aspect, you're gonna feel like going pedal to the metal, balls to the wall. Take it light, take it easy, because another aspect of working out is just making sure that today's workout doesn't impede on tomorrow's. So you don't wanna go in all in and make yourself so sore that you can't do tomorrow's workout either. Okay, this last tip might make you literally angry with me, but I really suggest, at least in the beginning, to work out without your headphones. Most gyms nowadays have pretty decent music going on, and working out without your headphones allows you to be situationally aware to conversations around you. You're gonna be able to hear if somebody's talking about your favorite sports team, or if somebody's talking about a restaurant near you that you love. You're gonna be more engaged and able to create those relationships so that you truly see that the gym is a safe space to make new friends rather than a place that you go and you feel total judgment all around you. I can totally feel you if you're like, hey, that's way easier said than done, to all of the above tips. But basically, I want you to get in the mindset that when you go to the gym, beyond a shadow of a doubt, you are going to be doing the positive thing for your health. And if you know beyond a shadow of a doubt that you're doing the positive thing for your health, over time, you're gonna stop caring what other people think, and you're gonna stop caring about looking silly. I always go to the gym and I'll look at the little stickers on the machines and I'll say, what am I supposed to do with this? And sometimes, guess what? I do it backwards. But I don't care. I try again because my health is more important to me than what other people think about me. All in all, I can give you all of these little strategic tips, but remember, it's all about mindset. If you lack confidence to go to the gym, it's probably because you lack confidence in a lot of other areas. And if you need to build that up, then let's work together. Check out the description below because I've got tons of links for you to access free ebooks and even online course and community options, as well as one-on-one mentorship. I want you to believe in your own personal power so that going to the gym doesn't give you an anxiety attack. Let's work on your personal, mental, and physical health together. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe because we have lots of other videos every Sunday, every Thursday, fitness, nutrition, mindset, all of the above. Please stick around to learn to think different in order to drink different, or never again.